Okay, guys, banana peels erase all wrinkles just like that, just like magic. It's one of the biggest skincare hacks going viral right now. It's actually been around since 2019, but it is back and everybody is talking about banana peels. Before you rush to the grocery store and grab those banana peels to rub on your face, let's talk about what's actually happening here. I'm Nancy Reagan, founder of Skin Diva Labs, which is vegan, non-toxic, and I have been helping thousands and thousands of women for over almost 30 years, help them with their skin and help them restore it and take care of it naturally. So let's break down this banana peel trend. So people say you lay the banana peel on your skin and it's rich in antioxidants and enzymes that help to tighten the skin, and it makes your skin look smoother and your wrinkles will disappear in hours, maybe days. It's so true. Bananas do contain potassium, they contain vitamin C. Will a banana peel help to soften your skin because you laid it on top of the skin? Well, the answer is actually yes, it will, but will it help change the DNA or work like peptides or NAD or lipids that actually absorb into the cell? No, because the molecules are too big to actually do that. And science proves that. So let's talk about why wrinkles actually form and what's happening when we see them. And one of the biggest reasons that we are getting wrinkles is because of dryness and dehydration, not getting enough nutrients to the skin, and our environment. So when you see skin that is flawless or doesn't have wrinkles, you're also looking at skin that is fed the nutrients inside internally. It's absorbed into the skin. So when it feeds it, it starts at the cellular structure and it builds it inside at the cell. So I know you guys love DIY skincare, and it's been out there for years and years. Some of it is fabulous and some of it is maybe not so good. But a word of caution here. So if you're going to use your banana peels, be careful that you're not applying something that's going to sensitize your skin. You want to make sure you're not having an allergic reaction to the banana peels. And if you see little baby white bumps form, you need to stop using your banana peels. And if you're not making sure your banana peels are organic, you don't want all those chemicals and glycol phosphate in your body. So make sure if you're going to banana peel, make it organic, will you? So you don't actually harm yourself with more toxins. So if you are using your banana peels for fine lines and wrinkles, let me give you a few things you can do that will work naturally to help you with those fine lines and wrinkles. First, you need to exfoliate gently. So I'm not 30% glycolic like you're buying off of Amazon, but if you're going to do it, it should be something that is very gentle and exfoliate gently. The next step is you need to put into your skin therapeutic ingredients that are going to actually physically change the skin. Things like ceramides, things like peptides, NAD+. There's so much now that can actually work to regenerate the skin for longevity. It can also, believe it or not, reverse the actual skin aging. So I know you love the DIY, but the stuff that's really changing the cellular structure and changing fine lines and wrinkles is now available and out there. Skincare isn't really about banana peels and trying whatever is the latest trend that might be working. It's really about understanding how your skin works, how your barrier works, and how your skin functions so that it's the best. jumping on the bandwagon for any trend can also leave you with the exasperation of what doesn't work. So if you're ready to ditch the fads and really understand what works, I wrote an ebook all about 5 glow tips, really Skin Diva 101, that can help you understand what you need to do that's simple and easy on a daily basis to get your skin glowing. The link is right down in the description, and ask me anything. We love the comments. If you really want to understand the science and the function of the skin and how to really make yourself glow, it doesn't matter if you're over 40, over 50, or over 60, be sure to subscribe to my channel and check out the video that's on the screen right now.